looky little cookie. Got my first real fan. Okay. Oh, I got some. What's the stickers for? People put stickers on the fan like that, really? No. Why are these in there? Oh. These take a different. Well, look at that. It takes a different type of. These Apple people are so tricky. Tricky little Nicky. Okay, you, my friend, are going to need some juice. I will give you some juice. So, this block is so big. Which end goes in there? Which end goes in the block? This one? No. Oh, this is the female portion. The female. Okay, the female goes into there. And then, oh, this is, oh, that goes in, and this is, oh. I'm just making sure, what's that little hole for right there? I don't know. Is that a hole? I don't know what that is. Right there. I should look. Most things have a hole at the bottom, but ooh, I found the hole. Okay. So, what was that sound? Okay, now I'm gonna plug her in. And this guy. Oh, how do I turn the phone over? So it's on the right side. Oh, looky little cookie. That's a little better. Ooh, no. Oh, okay. My non-drag side. I see. I guess I stay right there. My hand keeps getting in the friggin' things that make me go, baby. Oh, things that make me go, I can't sit up here and hold this. Oh, I put my hand underneath it. Hold on to that thingy thing at the back. I think my color's right. I think I don't look like boiled ham anymore. Ooh. I don't look like a Casper the Ghost. I don't like looking like boiled ham. And I look like my left side looking like a man.
That's right. Isn't that cute? This one is better. I'm just so happy I hate my colors no more. When I play this back, this color better be the same or so I'm gonna be mad. I don't want to be mad now, like mad here.
I make my own entertainment. I spend a lot of time alone. Click the subscribe button right up here somewhere. And you'll be sure to receive the notifications. Well, I don't know, you might be. And thank you for watching.